Hi, this is Osman from Prime Power Solution. Thank you for your inquiry. Just so you can see the build quality, we've got a demonstration model here, which is a 30 kVA Perkins Stanford, fully manufactured in the UK. I will go through all the details with you. As you can see, this is a 30 kVA, we call it the PWP or the P30, depending on which part of the world you're in. This one comes with the 1103 33G Perkins UK manufactured engine with the Stanford European SOL P1 range, and it comes with the controller Deep Sea DSE 7320 MK2, which is an auto start panel. And then let me go to the generator itself. Just take a look. All our canopies come with thick British made canopies, not made in Turkey, not made in China, not made any other part in the world apart from in the UK, from British steel. And as you can see, very thick. That's actually 5mm. On the generator, all our generators come with an emergency stop as standard. Details of the generator, the manufacturer, where it was made, by who it was made. Every detail is on your plate. It's just like a plate in the car where you can see everything. Deep Sea Electronics 7320 MK2, as mentioned earlier. Let me show you the inside. Very clean, neat and tidy. You can also plug it into your laptop and configure your controller, and it's also able to provide remote monitoring with the right upgrades. Inside the generator, you will find that it's fully sound annihilated to very high standard foam that we use. Stanford alternator, armored wiring, so that things don't get caught, because there's a lot of airflow going on in the chamber, so it doesn't get caught in any moving parts. Diesel tank comes with a day running tank underneath, so it's quite a significant big tank. And the louvers and the drops, that the inlets, not only do they just suck in air, they also stop things from getting into the generator. It's just the way we've designed them. There you go, that's the front. Now let me go to the back. We also do ATS panels, by the way, if you require an ATS panels. So you've got the air intake, which gives the generator a cyclone effect of air suction, and it blows out through the top here, which it blows out with the exhaust fumes, which is the exhaust over there. And you've also got a filling point for the radiator if required to do so. Here you'll see the battery, which comes as standard. Genuine Perkins engine. None of the stuff that's coming out of China at the moment, which is quite... Let's not even go there. Stanford alternator. Very high quality, robust anti-vibration rubbers here. Fully earthed. And here you can see the thickness of the foam for the sound annihilation. Throughout the genset, even on the ceiling, because that's a lot of... Well, that's one of the most common places where manufacturers do not put is the ceiling. That suppresses the sound quite a lot without sacrificing the airflow, because the air is sucked from the back and the side, which creates a cyclone effect, cooling the generator engine and the alternator, pulling the air through the radiator, cooling the radiator fluid and pushing it out, so there's no cooling problems. All generators come with lockable locks. These are vandal proof. They can't just, they'll need physically to drill it out if they want to take it out or whatever, but even then it's very not easy to. So it's vandal proof. All the generators come with door securing mechanism, which you can see here. So if there's a lot of wind, the door will not close on you while you're doing maintenance. Here you'll have the exhaust, which is built into the base frame, not in a box like a lot of other manufacturers are doing. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, please let us know. And as we say, we pride ourselves on being 100% made in the United Kingdom, not any other country, or not even partially in any other country, like many other companies are doing. They just simply bring in the canopies from other countries where it's cheaper to build them and cheaper to quote them. We don't. Everything that you see here is fully manufactured in the UK, fully rust-proofed, fully soundproofed, and of very high quality. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.